In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do announcement in Basecamp app. Let's start from inside Basecamp. First, open the specific project where you want to share your announcement. Every announcement in Basecamp lives inside a project, so make sure you're in the right one, especially if you manage multiple teams or clients. Once you're in that project, look for the message board tool. This is where longer updates, announcements, and important information are posted and kept organized so your announcement won't get lost in quick chats or notifications. When you're on the message board, click the green New Message button. This is your starting point for creating the announcement. Think of it as opening a blank document that everyone on the project will be able to see. Don't worry about getting everything perfect right away. You'll have options to edit or even save it as a draft later. Now you'll see a screen where you can add a title and write the body of your announcement. Start with a clear, descriptive title so people instantly understand what it's about, like schedule change for next week or new feature rollout details. In the content area, write your announcement in a way that's easy to scan. Begin with the most important information, then add context, and finally, any next steps people should take. Basecamp's editor lets you use formatting to make your message clearer. You can apply emphasis to key points, add links to documents or external resources, and embed items like images or files if they help explain your announcement. Use these tools to highlight deadlines, key decisions, or instructions so they don't get overlooked. Next, decide who should be notified about this announcement. Basecamp lets you choose to notify everyone on the project, only people who are actively involved, or specific individuals. If you want to be very precise, you can tag particular people by using their name, making sure the right teammates get a direct heads up. This is especially helpful when only a subset of the team needs to act on the information. Finally, choose what to do with your announcement. You can post it immediately if it's time sensitive, save it as a draft if you want to come back and refine it, or schedule it to go live at a later date and time. Scheduling is useful when you want an announcement to appear right before a meeting, an event, or the start of a workday. Once you've made your choice, confirm it, and your announcement is ready to go.